Alright, so maybe you're in a situation where you're needing to mirror your iPhone, your iPad, or your Mac to a Roku stick. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process in how to do this. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how you can take this guy right here. This is a Roku Express Plus, and how you can mirror any type of Apple device to your TV, making it very easy for productivity, or maybe just wanting to get some bigger screen real estate. But let's go ahead and dive into the process and how you do this. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your remote and grab your iPhone, your iPad, or your Mac device. Okay, so we're on the Roku screensaver screen. We're going to go ahead and hit home, take you to the home screen. First thing you want to do is go over to the settings bar over here on the left hand side, and you're going to want to make sure that you're on the latest system settings software. So you're going to go to system, and you're going to go to system update right there. Now as you can see, I am on 9.2.1 is what I'm on, so that's the latest on this one as of today. I just got this installed, so that's the latest software update as according to this video. So you want to make sure that you update now and make sure you're on the latest system update. Alright, so next you're going to want to go here, let me take you back home as if you were doing this from the beginning. Go back home, go to settings. Okay, go down to system, and then you're going to go over here to screen mirroring, and then click over. Alright, so it takes you to screen mirroring. Over here on the right hand side, you'll see where it says prompt. So that way when a device tries to cast to your TV or screen, a prompt on your TV screen will ask you to confirm, or you can go to always allow, so that when a device tries to cast to your TV screen, it will automatically be connected, or you can go to never allow. So what we're trying to achieve on this is to screen mirroring, so we want either prompt or always allow. We're going to go ahead and select prompt. Okay, next up you're going to want to go to your Apple device here. So I'm on my iPhone, and let it focus in. Okay, and then download the Roku app if you haven't got that installed already. Go ahead and download that and we'll open it. Okay, now it says easily cast your photos, video, and audio to a connected Roku device on here. Just so you know, this is like as soon as you open it up, this is kind of like the home screen, but down here on the bottom right, there's media, and then that brings up this screen here, mirror. So we're going to go ahead and hit connect. Now it's recognizing that I have two different Roku devices in my house. So I'm going to go to that second one there. That's the Roku Express Plus that I was talking about. So tap on that. Now it takes media on the Roku. So we're going to go to videos. We're going to give access, allow access to the photos, and it's loading. Okay, so it's got all my photos on my phone here, so I'm just going to pick one. I just took a random one of my cat. I recorded it for the purpose of this video here. So it says loading video, retrieving, and voila. This is the video I took on my phone of my cat playing with a Nerf dart, and now it is projecting right here on the TV. Easy peasy. Alright, so yeah, that looks pretty good. I mean, that was the short little clip that I took, and it's projecting right on there. Okay, so that was a super simple way of how you can mirror your iPhone or any type of Apple device to your Roku Stick TV, or your Roku TV, or your Roku Stick. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. And that's my dog. So alright, until then, get out there guys and be creative.